Consider a scenario where you're working from your office and need to join a group video conference. You go to a meeting room and see that your colleague has already joined the call by using Google Meet hardware, Google's video conferencing device. If a team member who joins the call remotely sends a link in the meeting chat or begins a poll, you might not be able to open the link or participate in the activity because you've not joined the call from your own device. With Companion Mode, you can connect to a Google Meet video call from a second screen. When you use the Companion Mode, your mic is disabled to prevent issues with audio feedback. However, you can still turn on your camera to ensure that you're visible during a meeting in a large room with many participants. To join with Companion Mode, access the Meeting Ready page for your video call, and from the list of other joining options, select Use Companion Mode. You can also visit g.co/companion in your browser. In a hybrid work environment, some participants might join meetings in person and others join remotely. At Google, we suggest joining meetings using Companion Mode when you're in a conference room to better collaborate during meetings. This way you can access all of the Google Meet capabilities from your own device, like participating in polls and Q&As, sending chat messages, and turning on closed captions. For more information on using Google Meet hardware and the Companion Mode, go to the additional resources document included in this course.